I'm a 20-gauge shotgun with both barrels blazing. I'm 100 miles an hour around the curve without braking. I'm a herd of wild horses through her bed of daisies, and she'll plant them all back again. I think I'm John Wayne when I get to drinking. I'm the first one to jump on the boat while it's sinking, but I ain't half as tough as what I'd have you thinking. If you really knew her, you'd know I'm the weak one. And she's like a lighthouse standing in the path of a mad hurricane, and her kind laughs at the lightning and dances around in the rain. And when I'm at the end of my rope and I don't know if I can hold on, she's stronger. She makes the weight of the world feel as light as a feather. She's the needle and thread patching me back together. God knows I ain't perfect, but she's making me better. If I'd never met her, I'd hate to think where I'd be. 'Cause she's like a lighthouse standing in the path of a mad hurricane, and her kind laughs at the lightning and dances around in the rain. Oh, and when I'm at the end of my rope and I don't know if I can hold on, she's stronger. She's like a lighthouse standing in the path of that mad hurricane, and her kind laughs at the